Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a watch list on Webull application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Webull application on your mobile device like you normally do and log into your account first. Once you're logged in, you will end up in this watch list page. Go ahead and select the watch list you'd like to delete. Tap on the Edit Watchlist button at the top left, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Click on one of the watch lists you'd like to delete, and once you do that, you'll be able to select it. Now click on Delete at the bottom left, and then click on Done in order to delete the selected watch list. You can repeat this step for every other watch list you'd like to delete from this page. If you want to delete all of them, you can tap on Select All at the bottom left and tap on Delete at the bottom right and confirm your deletion if needed. So that's how you can easily delete a watch list from your Webull account. Deleting a watch list only removes the watch list group and not the stocks themselves. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.